the meantime, we're underway with the second set. May Makatuno will get us going with the first serve of the second. Doromal has been hard at work here today. That is hit out, and Cruz gets that to bite.
And on the other side, of course, no question about it, Van Sickle, top scorer with 7 points. Phillips follows with 6, and Myla Pablo with 5.
Singh stretching for it while falling to the floor, and confusion on the Angels side of the floor.
Ensayo at tinatatak ko sa kanila na kaya natin to. 7 Ivy?
Pa-secret pa itong lolo ko, ha? Nakayaw sabihin sa'yo, Kyla. In the meantime, better blocking by Capital One. Roma stretches for it. Here's a standing spike. It's in play. Bumagal ang laro ng Petro, ha? Nag-solidify ang depensa ng Capital One sa sahig, eh. Myla swings. Sayang yon. Kasi pag tatamad-tamad ka against Petro, naku, uubusin ka nila.
Yeah, very strong offensive team itong Petrogas. So talagang magiging number 1 na weapon nitong Capital One is the defense.
And that's not gonna cross.
Sure na they have a tight block para yung konti na lang ang option ng pagdadaanan. So it's going to be easier for the defense now.
As the score stands at 5-3 in favor of Capital. One-handed pickup that time by Aiza. And that is going to stay inside and make the score.
In double digits here in this match.
Kung ikaw si May Makatuno, bibigyan mo ng bibigyan, eh, no? Taas ang percentage, eh. Kumukonek na, eh. Nice deflection by the block. Singh. Oh, yes, sir. Full swing. Ito yung volleyball expression, kapit. Kapit. Kahit maaga pa lang, kakapit ka kung ikaw Capital One. Out. Nako, they're getting breaks, ha?
Renny Palma's favorite attack. So
exactly.
yung running hit.
Singh is getting to be...
So you really have to be able to read her very well para mapwestohan mo ng maayos sa depensa.
Ito, the ball was already on the floor.
No, but she wasn't able to prevent herself from crossing the line.
Daming bawal dyan, no? Hello. That's smart ng laro ni Singh, ha? We'll move into the quarterfinals, which Galleries Tower has already done. Hindi na baon ni Niegos yung regalo. Myla burns them with a shot to the back row.
The Swiss. So yun nga, parang, you know, how well are they able to consistently do that? That's going to be the challenge.
That's the key word, consistency. Myla beginning to percolate here, full swing. Van Sickle will get it back. Parang automatic sa formation ng Petro. Pag si Van Sickle ang rumisip, siya ang papalo. Capital One looking on. That's clean and such a crafty move by the veteran. Reeling and smarting from the fact they lost the lead. Singh. Temperatura is there. Playable. Good set. Yes. Cruz brings them back within 1. Close and tight. Down it goes. Doromal was there, but also not.
Kaya ng padulo, na kung kailan importante na talaga yun, you're able to execute things correctly. Doon pa bumibigay. So siguro yung nagiging test of characters, the test of character din yan para sa ating mga players. Do as much, they can just give the instructions, but when you're inside the court, it's really all up to you.
And that separates perhaps the good teams from the others, because they know how to win in the stretch, like in this case. Nice name, Mary Joy. Down the middle. Did she miss it? She missed it. Combination denied. Reset offense. That's inside on the cross.